One super big. Ha? Daingan tata fisherman kon. Ha? Oh. Okay, roll it. Yeah. Ah, malaki ito. Dakla to. Man. Keep rolling. Ah. This one is big.
Hi guys. So I tried to pull it, and that's my fishing rod, and I tried to pull it, and it was very hard.
Yeah, it's too big. Let's see how big it is.
Yeah. It's like super hard.
What? Oh. Pasuga, takkel. Takkel. This one is heavyweight. Look at that. Nagtakkelan.
Not that fish, and I need a help because, like,
Isu mo lang mati na maguyod ah. Ne, nagtakkel na mati na maguyod. Ay, nagato karne na ato yan dyan. Nagimas nga ipis bulato yan. Ah, picture. Ivan, come on. Come on, support Ivan.